Today at Contra Costa Powersports, we have a 2017 Yamaha FZ6R sport bike. This bike only has 409 miles and is offered for $69.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports. It's a super clean bike. As you'll see, it still has the nubs on the tires. In addition, it has a fender eliminator kit in the back, flush mount blinkers up front. Also has a very nice cell phone mount along with a USB charger on the side of that, which is really cool. Bike's been gone through by our service department. We did a safety check, did the first service, oil change on it, and she's all set and ready to go. Saved probably about $1,500 to $2,000 off a new one. Again, a 2017 with only 400 miles here at Contra Costa Powersports. We can provide financing as well as an extended warranty on this bike. Check us out on the web at contracostaps.com, where at any given time we'll have 35 to 40 quality pre-owned bikes just like this one.